Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is bonus stuff. For my returning subscribers, you're welcome. For my newly subscribers, you're welcome. And for you watching my video for the first time, you're also welcome. So in today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I ventilate this frontal box braid. So make sure you watch from beginning to the end to get the full details. I will be right back. So guys, this is the net I will be using, and I've done a previous video on how to cut and make this airline. So in case you've not watched it, just go back now and watch the way I made this airline. I'll drop it in my description box. So guys, this is when I've done half of it, like I'll ventilate half of it. Yes, I ventilate half of the frontal. So I'll just go ahead and show you guys how I did the ventilating. You can see how neat, sharp and neat. Don't mind me, I have to carry this thing outside to do the video. That's why you are seeing grasses. So, and moreover, I place this thing on a cardboard, like I said cardboard, like a carton board. Yes, that's where I place the net, and then I pin it down with a safety pin on it. So it was very easy when I was ventilating, rather than putting it on a mannequin head to ventilate. So it was very easy to ventilate on this on the board. So now this is the air. I'm almost done. So yes, I've done the half part. I'm almost done. So it remains this cube part. So guys, I just want to show you exactly the way I ventilate everything in this video. So guys, so now I'm going to show you how I ventilate on this cube. You can see how neat, perfect and very neat it is. So yeah, I'm just trying to show you. I've drew the airline. Yeah, so in case you don't know how I draw this thing, just go back to my link below and click on my description. But I click on the link, go to my description box and click on the link. So this is how I've done ventilating. First of all, you are going to ventilate the cube shape like this. I can see I'm trying to show you how I did the ventilating. You can see I first of all ventilate the cube like this before I start ventilating inside. So please, if you want to do this thing, make sure you ventilate the cube before ventilating inside. So this is when I ventilate inside, and I ventilate inside. I ventilate like 10 rows inside. Yes, and this is how I did it. I left 2 lines for a line, I left 2 lines for a line. So that's how I ventilate inside. So in case you don't know how to ventilate any weight, I'm going to drop a link also in my description box to go and check how to ventilate. So this is how to make a box braid rig, and this is when I was done with everything. I have to take it outside also. So this is it. This is how I made it. This is how they make it. So make sure you go back to the previous one to watch the details on how I cut and make the lines. And yeah, make sure you understand the way I ventilate. And if you don't know how to ventilate, I'll drop a link in my description box to see the way to ventilate. So thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye.